Facebook ads uses a variety of charging models based on advertising goals. The most common model is cost per click, where you pay each time someone clicks your ad. Another model is cost per impression, where you pay for every 1,000 times your ad is shown. Cost per action charges based on specific actions like filling out a form or making a purchase. Facebook ads also uses optimized bidding, where it automatically bids on your behalf for the best results. The ad auction system takes into account factors like bid amount and ad relevance. However, you won't necessarily pay your maximum bid amount, as the cost can be lower. Ad placement also has an impact on cost, as some placements are more expensive than others. The target audience also influences ad cost depending on competition and audience size. Higher competition and smaller audience sizes can lead to higher costs. But you can control costs through targeting settings like location and behavior. Additionally, ad relevance has a significant impact on cost and performance. Relevant ads are more likely to be shown and clicked, resulting in lower costs and better results.